If you're a real estate investor and purchasing rental property, there are situations where you may want to remove an existing tenant before you close the deal. Well, what steps should you take to do this? That's the topic of this video. Hello again, everyone. I'm attorney Robert Flessas. Hey, if you're learning from my videos, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. When you do that, you're helping others find my videos so they can learn from the topics that I discuss on my channel playlist. Investors interested in purchasing rental property are sometimes confronted with an existing tenant that really needs to go. You should try to investigate problem tenants before you sign an offer to purchase or make it part of the purchase contingencies. You're looking for the seller to make, among other things, problem tenant disclosures. If there is no disclosure, then get a tenant roster from the current owner. Search the public records to see if there are any evictions pending against tenants of the property. Now, here are the ways you may be able to remove a problem tenant before you close. Look at the lease terms and rules for each tenant. Look to see if tenants are current on their rent or if they're committing lease violations that the current owner hasn't acted upon yet. If they owe rent or they violated a rule, ask the current landlord to file an eviction action before the closing. That way, you get the ball rolling on removing a tenant. If the current owner has filed an eviction, on the day of closing, remember to get an assignment of interest. The assignment will authorize you to step into the shoes of the former owner to prosecute the eviction in court. That assignment will have to be filed with the court to prove that you have standing to sue. If the owner has tenant violations that haven't been dealt with, then you may want to negotiate a better purchase price since you're going to be the one inheriting the problems. You're also going to want to make sure that the problem tenant has a security deposit and that it's transferred to you at closing. The current owner can't keep the deposit as reimbursement for lost rent. That's yours if you end up suing the tenant. Also, look to see if the problem tenant, or any tenant for that matter, has filed any complaints with the local housing authorities against this owner. Look for building code violations. Those could serve as a defense that a problem tenant may rely upon to defend against an eviction. Look for any health and safety violations that are pending against the owner of the building. All of the things that I'm talking about here should be investigated or pursued. Now, there's probably more things that you can do. Let me know if you have some in the comments below. I'm attorney Robert Flessas. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.